Sagittarius, Sun Moon Rising. So this is your energy update, August 16 to 31, 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Sag. Anong energy? Second half ng August. Healing. Oh, that's nice. You're healing from your past. Oh, some of you are into pursuing your spiritual career. Parenting. Oh, wow. Okay. Parenting is like leadership. Okay. So you may be leading a career or a spiritual career for some of you. You're also healing from your past, or maaring sa childhood rin ninyo to. You are experiencing that through your children. May mga anak dyan, okay? So through your parenting, you are healing your childhood issues or trauma for some of you. And part of that is being in the spiritual field. No, yung iba sa inyo, you're into tarot, astrology, numerology, anything spiritual. Overall energy, the world. Ooh. So some of you, you are, meron kang teka, takpan lang natin kasi, para baka ma-flag. Okay, anyway. So the world is about completion. This is about success. Kumbaga, you have this successful life na you're trying to, para meron kang tinatapos, no? Para siya kasing graduation. 'Di ba? Ending siya, ending of a chapter, pero it's a good ending for you because meron ka na-accomplish. Okay? And then your challenge is, wow, Ten of Pentacles as a challenge. This can be some issues with the family or finances or sa career. Okay? Pwedeng merong mga bagay na kailangan ayusin, pag-usapan, na may kinalaman sa properties, ari-arian, pera ng family. Now, your opportunity is the King of Cups. You have the opportunity to be more empathic, to be more expressive of your emotions, yung feelings mo. Maaring mas magiging open ka, na, maging somehow vulnerable sa mga taong mahal mo. This is also about forgiveness. So you have the opportunity to forgive yourself, forgive others. Now, your blessing is the Queen of Pentacles. This is about loyalty in your business, your career, the people that you work with. So, maaring meron kang marireceive na loyalty award, or you will be recognized in your career, your business, or you are being supported by the people na talagang inaasahan mo rin. Okay? Money, career, finances, Three of Swords. Meron ditong disappointments. Oo, when it comes to money and finances. And I think this is something to do with the family matters, family issues, properties. Pwedeng may nag-aaway sa lupa, sa pera, within the family. Now, your love life. Okay, love life. Oh, may ending. This is transformation, endings and new beginnings. Things are changing for your love life. Kung meron kang partner ngayon, pwedeng may mga pagbabago sa relationship ninyo, connection ninyo. If you are single, pwedeng ikaw ay papasok sa isang bagong relationship or like starting a new life. Lalo na kung galing ka sa separation. Which justice is coming, yes. So, this is about bringing justice into your life na parang gusto mong ibigay kung ano yung dinedeserve mo and yung hustisya na gusto mong ma-experience for yourself, whatever this is. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.